So hello guys, I will teach you how to get the hidden truck. So first, you're gonna search for APM so it will pop up. Second, join the server and just play like a regular game, okay? So don't tell me how I got this vehicle. Don't tell me how I got this vehicle. You cannot get it until you search for a hidden vehicle like this. So I will teach you how to get it. First, pick anything you want and explore. So, I'll choose a pickup, I guess. I should definitely go. I should could definitely go right there. Okay, guys. So making progress right here. So there's some guy that chooses house, I guess, and a monster truck. For Roblox, I guess. I don't have Roblox. I didn't even care about Roblox. Okay, so we should go right there. Check the maps. Okay, so if my answers are correct, I should go right there. Wait, is that the right option? Is the right option? Okay, so let's go right there. Oh shit, oh shoot. Oh my god. Okay, let's go right there. I guess that's the place because I don't know if it's right or left. I don't know. Oh, there's a missing trailer. Somebody help this homeless trailer. Oh. So guys, it's not there, I guess. So let's go to the other way. Okay, so let's go. Let's stop, I guess, for a little bit, so we don't miss the places. Okay, so you should definitely stop. So if I go right there and go right there, is this place? So I should go right there. Okay, so my answer is correct. Let's go right there. So you should go right there. And if you find a lake or anything else, not this lake, I guess. Not this lake. So you should directly come here. Once you see this, you find an abandoned and ugly car right there. Or vehicle or truck. And if you just look, it's just a semi like mines. And just climb, hit it, just hold, and you should get the vehicle. So if this helps you, please comment this helped me.